The red line is across. Genocide decided by the International Court of Justice. Yes, welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Friday, May the 24th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And I told you the news of today. The red line is across. The International Court of Justice has decided it's genocide. The Israeli the Israeli war in Gaza. They've started the offensive in Rafah. So I'm curious about the other countries. This International Court of Justice, I believe South Africa. Yes, years ago there's apartheid in South Africa. So they see the same situation in Gaza. So they bring this case to the International Court of Justice, and now, they tell Israel, stop with the war. It's genocide. Yes, genocide. And the red line is across. The offensive is started in Rafah. So there are a lot of people suffering in there. A lot of casualties, dead people, and this is the war is they need to cease fire. This is not a good way. Anyway, let me start with the first Sudoku. The first Sudoku will be number 8, 5, 8. I believe 8, 2, 8582. Yeah, 8582. Well. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If compared with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 and a 4 in this big square, so no 5 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 4, 5 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left. In this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this column. Last column for number 2. Right. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. And only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, How about the 7 in the last, third row, 7 in the second row from the first row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Then, 6 and the 7. Come on. 4. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Come on. I'm thinking. How about the 3? No 3 here, no 3 there. How about the 9? No 9. Here also no 9. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 7 and 4. Then. Let me see. 7, 4, and a 2. 7, 2, and a 6. 2, 2. Come on. 6, 6. Need a 3 there. 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8. 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. We need 8 here. Well, here can be 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. Here can be 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. Only place left 8 in this column should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 4. 2 and the... Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mus. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 2 should be there. The 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Okay. So one number left in this row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. 7 and a 4, 7 and 4, 7 and 4, 7 and 4. 6 and 7, 6 and 7, 6 and yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 number left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. So we have 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 4 is should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we solved again. Solved again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. Yeah, 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.